Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing some work on my headliner shelf. I got a little bit of a start on it. I'll show you what I have so far, and then I'm going to get on to scribing the front edge of the shelf, and then we'll cut the wood out, maybe paint it, get the brackets painted, and get it up in place. Let's get started. I got these metal brackets, got them at Home Depot. They're a 4-inch angle bracket. The ones here in the back, they screw right into the coat hook here. I threw in an extra self-tapping screw to go and fasten it on the top. It seems to fit well there. Same 4-inch bracket in the front. I had to drill an extra hole 3/4 of an inch down from the top hole on the bracket, and then I used hacksaw to cut it off so it doesn't stick out the bottom. The angle on these is a little bit above 90, so once it was just in place, I just equal pressure on the bottom of it and I bent it up. It seemed to work no problem. I'll take these down and paint them black before final install. For now, I got a piece of 1/2-inch OSB I just got screwed in here. I'm going to scribe the front edge for it. Then I can hold this up to the 3/4 inch material I have and get it cut so that it hopefully fits. So what I plan on doing for scribing this, I have my speed square on the front of this piece of wood and just a piece of hardboard. I'm just going to push this forward until it hits the headliner, using the square to make sure it's square. Once it touches, I'll just mark the back of it here and go along, doing this every couple of inches or every inch. I don't think I can do it in a continuous motion, but maybe. And then once I get that transferred on here, I can go and put this onto the piece of rough cut sheet that I have and scribe that front edge and cut it off. Let's get started. Just realized that as I was leaning on this board a little bit, the deflection on it is causing me to read the wrong spot on the thing there, so I'm going to have to go and double check what marks I made, because I think I might be off a little bit on that side. But actually, with that in mind, I'll go back to the fast play. I'll start from the passenger side here and work my way over, then get back to those points. I'll change color of my marker. I'll use the black one instead of the red now. Won't get my dots confused. Okay, so I got marks, dots, typically every inch or so, sometimes every 1/2 inch or 1.5 inches, depending on how much the distance was varying. The more quickly it was changing, I put the dots closer together. So I'm just going to take this board down now, connect the dots sort of with a smooth arc in between them, and then I'll cut this out and I'll use it as a template to cut the front edge of the shelf board that I have. Oh, I don't know how well you can see it. Line out dots going up. I'll just connect these and then cut out this pretty wave. Oh my. I can't believe how well that fits. I overestimated the length, the depth of it a little bit. That looks good underneath there. I got a little bit of an overhang here. If I cut it off the length of where the fabric header actually is, it's like 1.5 inches. I can actually use that piece I cut off to attach to the top to make a lip and just the support across there to stop it from bowing too. Mind you, it's 3/4 inch. I don't think it's going to bow any, but I do definitely want a lip there just in case there's a box or anything like that so that it doesn't slide out.